and today we're going to read our book on a bit called Road Rollers. Road rollers are heavy machines. They use their weight to flatten ground. Road rollers flatten ground for roads and buildings. A road roller has a drum. Drums are smooth or rough. Rough drums work well on dirt and rock. This road roller has one rough drum and two wheels. This road roller has two rough drums. It flattens trash into a landfill. Smooth drums are used on This road roller has two smooth drums. This road roller flattens ground for a foundation. A building will be built on it. This road roller flattens asphalt to make a road. Now cars can drive on the new road. And that's the end of Road Rollers, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!